Homes Decor Designs, where we delve into the art of creating refined living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of feeling like you're on display every time you step out onto your patio? Do you long for a peaceful, secluded backyard retreat? Then you are in the right place. Today we are tackling one of the biggest challenges in outdoor living: creating privacy. We're diving deep into the world of privacy walls for patios. We'll show you what they are, why you need one, the best materials to use, and give you 10 incredible design ideas to transform your space. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a privacy wall for a patio? Simply put, it's any structural barrier, whether it's a fence, screen, or vertical garden, designed to create a secluded zone within your outdoor living area. Unlike a full perimeter fence, a patio privacy wall is often specifically targeted to block views from neighbors, busy streets, or even less attractive parts of your own yard. It can be a freestanding structure integrated into an existing pergola or attached to your home. Its main purpose is to shield your intimate outdoor moments, making your patio a true extension of your comfortable indoor space. The benefits of installing a privacy wall go far beyond just blocking prying eyes. First and foremost is, of course, the enhanced seclusion, which allows you to relax, dine, or entertain without feeling self-conscious. This feeling of enclosure instantly transforms an open patio into a cozy, intimate outdoor room. Beyond privacy, these walls serve as excellent windbreakers and sound dampeners, creating a calmer, more comfortable microclimate for your space. A well-designed wall also acts as a beautiful backdrop for your furniture, lighting, and plants, elevating the entire aesthetic of your home. Finally, they provide a structured space to verticalize your garden, allowing you to hang planters, climbing vines, or install ambient lighting, making your patio functional and beautiful. A privacy wall should be a design feature, not just a bare barrier. To decorate your privacy wall and make it look its absolute best, start by treating it like an interior wall. Focus on texture and light. For a wooden wall, consider staining it a rich color to contrast with your furniture, or use the horizontal slats to hang minimalist, modern wall sconces. If you choose a screen with cutouts, let the sunlight cast beautiful, shifting patterns on your patio floor. Next, incorporate greenery. Vertical gardens, mounted planters, or climbing plants like ivy or jasmine will soften the hard lines of the wall and bring nature closer. You can also use the wall to display outdoor-safe artwork, mirrors to create the illusion of space, or a floating bench and built-in pillows, turning the wall into functional seating. The key is to make it feel deliberate and integrated into your overall patio design. Choosing the right material depends on your desired aesthetic, budget, and local climate. One of the best materials is natural wood, like cedar or redwood, which offers a classic, warm, and highly customizable look. It's affordable and easy to work with but requires regular maintenance. Composite wood is a fantastic low-maintenance alternative that resists rot and fading. For a modern, industrial, or tropical feel, perforated metal panels are superb. Materials like corten steel or powder-coated aluminum can be laser-cut into intricate, artistic patterns, as you'll see in our top ideas. Finally, for a beautiful, organic solution, consider a living wall with a trellis or grid system. This option requires the most maintenance but provides the best air quality and natural beauty. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best privacy wall for patio ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Lush living wall as a green privacy barrier. For the ultimate organic and space-saving solution, this entire wall is covered in a dense, varied collection of vertical greenery, creating a stunning living wall. This natural barrier offers complete privacy, dramatically improves air quality, dampens noise, and provides a spectacular, ever-changing backdrop. The rich greens provide a beautiful contrast to the dark woven furniture and light stone flooring, turning a small urban patio into a vibrant jungle-like sanctuary. 2. Classic wood lattice with integrated flower boxes. A traditional and charming approach, this privacy wall uses a painted white frame to hold sections of classic wood lattice, stained a warm chestnut brown. The lattice provides privacy without completely blocking light or air, and the design is perfectly complemented by integrated window boxes brimming with colorful, trailing flowers. This solution is ideal for a balcony or raised deck, creating a quaint cottage-style feel. 3. Industrial laser-cut metal pergola and privacy panels. This dramatic all-in-one privacy solution features dark, geometric laser-cut metal panels that form both the roof and the side walls of a patio enclosure. The repeating square pattern creates a striking modern look that offers full privacy and shade. The structure encloses a built-in wooden bench and fire pit area, defining it as a highly sophisticated, private lounge perfect for evening gatherings. 4. Contemporary black metal screen panels with abstract slits. A stunning example of modern balcony privacy, this design utilizes sleek, powder-coated black metal panels mounted between crisp white posts. The pattern features horizontal, abstract, grass-like slits that offer partial transparency. This design allows for light and air circulation while providing effective concealment and a strong, contemporary visual statement that complements the deck's gray and charcoal furniture and accessories. 5. Dark modern cabana with integrated media wall. This is a complete outdoor room solution. The privacy is provided by the solid, dark painted walls of a modern open-air cabana structure, which is strategically positioned next to a pool. The solid wall serves as a stunning light-absorbing backdrop for an outdoor television and comfortable, deep-seated sectional furniture. The contrast between the deep navy wall, the bright blue pool, and the light blue/white cushions creates a luxurious, resort-style entertaining space that is fully private and functional. 6. Contemporary slatted timber screen with built-in seating. This sleek design features horizontal, dark-stained timber slats that run the full length of the patio, offering complete visual blockage while maintaining a stylish, modern aesthetic. The seamless integration of a matching built-in bench, adorned with soft, neutral cushions, turns the wall into functional, comfortable seating, maximizing the use of a narrow urban space. The wall is punctuated by uplights and minimalist white planters holding tall yucca plants, adding height and tropical texture to the clean lines of the design. 7. Artistic Corten-style steel panels with tropical cutouts. An exceptionally high-impact privacy solution, this wall uses multiple panels of rust-colored, laser-cut steel, or a composite alternative. The intricate, oversized leaf pattern creates a dramatic, semi-transparent screen that filters light beautifully, casting abstract shadows onto the warm wooden deck. This design is perfect for adding a bohemian or tropical flair, transforming the patio into an exotic, design-forward retreat while effectively obscuring the view behind it. 8. Tropical white slatted louver wall under a modern pergola. This bright, airy design features a white, flat-roof pergola that shades a comfortable seating area, surrounded on two sides by horizontal white louvered fencing. The louver style provides excellent privacy while still letting a significant amount of light and tropical breeze flow through. The white structure highlights the lush, vibrant green of the surrounding grass and palm trees, creating a clean, resort-like feel perfect for warm weather climates. 9. Natural timber pergola with half-height privacy fence. Privacy here is achieved not with a single solid wall, but through a combination of elements. A robust, natural timber pergola defines the outdoor dining area, while a half-height horizontally slatted fence in a rich, dark brown runs along the perimeter. This fence provides enough screening to block ground-level views from the neighbor's yard, contrasting beautifully with the bright orange painted accent fence in the background, making the patio feel defined, cozy, and vibrant. 10. Classic brick courtyard wall with decorative openings. For a timeless, rustic, or historical feel, this red brick wall creates an enclosed courtyard patio. The wall is designed with sections of open, decorative brickwork, specifically a header course pattern, which allows gentle airflow and dappled light while still providing substantial privacy. The wall is softened by climbing vines and strategically placed planters filled with colorful flowers, complementing the brick's texture and turning the patio into a charming, secret garden escape. Whether you prefer the warmth of natural wood, the sleek look of modern metal, or the vibrant beauty of a living wall, there is a perfect privacy solution out there to make your patio the most secluded and stylish spot in your home. Privacy walls aren't just barriers. They are opportunities to introduce texture, light, and character, transforming a simple outdoor space into a personalized, luxurious retreat. We hope these 10 ideas sparked some inspiration for your next backyard project. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips on home renovations and decor. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.